Kikuchi as well. 50 NLs, Jewel.
Are you wearing a ponytail
2 winners.
right now?
Wait
Powers
lang.
Typhoon.
50 NLs, Jewel. Roy.
And then,
50 NLs, Jewel sa
Final of the Darkness.
lahat. Gold as well. Alima.
Tags? How did you know?
Si Rare, ako dun sa... OP pa din ba
Hey,
ito?
there's a Pokemon here. Come here. Come here. I have
October. September, Trans. October, Season 1 Championship. Season 2, December. So may off-season ng Square mga pre. Kung gusto niyo sumali, punta lang kayo, Aru. Aruna Felts Guild Castle map.
over Jollibee.
May specific siyang pangalan eh.
A concert? Ooh.
Baka hindi siya searchable. Mag-aano tayo, umaga tayo matapos dito.
I'm gonna change your
Siguro pag guess the monster tayo. Padsel pre. Shadow shoes sa game. Pero kung yung lumang streamer egg, ginawa nila, pwede ka nang makakuha ng shadow armors ulit. Pati yung shadow...
It's okay. It's okay. I don't like to throw. I'm gonna run away.
Putang na sakto! Gitna. 2 months na sub. Thank you. Pati kay La Jojo, kay Kikuchi, kay Pogs, pati kay Atlas din. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Kasama ka?
Wala yata dito yung VIP nandun sa kabila. Mamaya ako na lang i-deal. Mga viewers na mag-i-stay hanggang sa end ng stream, tara paraffle natin yung loti. Sayang din yun, may mga magaganda din nakukuha sa lot.
If you share it with your mom.
Grabe, nagbubukas ng itlog, putang na sunod-sunod. Ayun, Holy Armor, Scroll, Orca Clothes. Nakakuha ng Orca Clothes. Gets the Monster tayo. In-game na lang kasi ang hirap dito sa sa Facebook eh. Dahil singing. Next round para sa 25 LC. Siyempre, anong map yan? So magbibigay ako ng clue after 3 minutes. Si Mini, nag-claim na ba si Mini?
Bro, someone tried to target.
Ayun, si Mini. Si Aishi, si Kikuchi pala auto-win. Si Tagums, si Triggerman, tsaka si Rare. Nahulog pa nga. Oh. 10 to straight ah. Angry follower pre.
What do you call target?
Tapos sa mga nakatambay sa stream, may ano tayo dyan. Yun, ang nanalo sa top fan raffle natin, si Atong.
Okay. The hacker got banned.
Oo nga, wala si Bero. Notify lang kayo, notify.
Ano ba yan? My favorite food. Wait, sorry.
Hindi, ano pa lang ngayon pre, level reveal, level mo. Level ng lab.
Rabies injection!
Lalabas na to pag nakuha niyo. Ito ka na. Hindi ako pwede masyado magpuwet dahil maaga pumapasok yung mga ano ko eh. Mga Junakis ko eh.
Why did the teacher jump into the pool? Because he wanted to test the water.
You make me teenage dream. Wala pre, malabo.
I actually went back outside. I actually teleported to your backyard.
Hot storage, son. Suggestion ko sa inyo, gumamit kayo ng Divine Pride.
Don't move a single inch.
Sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess.
I don't know. I don't know.
Sa subscriber. Subscribers, VIP din 1 week. Wait lang, nilista ko pala yung mga subs.
Drive into the motel. Open. Same. Let me run over Jollibee. It's fun. I'm gonna play Maple Hospital. Can we play Maple Hospital? No, I'm more evil than you
Yeah, it's
told me.
only one way. Sharing my last name.
Time to buy a corn. Bro, I always thought that in my mind during afternoon that Sophia was a part of us.
So ngayon, bukas, tapos Saturday na siguro yung, tama, ang habol sa ano, sa Streamer Eggs. Di ba Orc Lord yan? Orca Clothes. Ano yung Orca Clothes?
Girl, how are they hiding something?
Gogo yun. Guess the monster, mga pre. Oh, next clue natin. Medium.
I'm back. I'm
Huwag
back.
nyo hanapin, pre. Na mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa. Punong mag-chat sa pub, pre.
Shoes are there.
1 minute. Para sa mga entries. Na mga nandito pa sa stream. May 1 minute. Grabe, 18k LC. Pangin. Grabe yung presyo ng mga item talaga. Ani bullet. Hallucigenia. Hallucigenia. Goods. Ulit tapos next clue. Daming bagong pumapasok na guild ngayon sa lakas, no? Sa tour. Parang 3 yata yung nakita akong bago. Yung kamusta ano natin, Adjet Lords?
Ayo?
Palaro tayo. Check ko lang kung ano mga bago. Yun o. Hindi na to. Ano yung favorite ko ito? October yung live event. So, bali may 3 months na... Ayun, pasko. Stop na, pre. Sayang, ano sa Jewel? Ano ba bago sa sa Jewel, pre? Anong bagong nakukuha? Meron ba? Yun lang, ano lang ako, yung lista lang ako.
Wait, you're running so fast.
Okay na, si Jojo na naalo, pre. Ayun. Maraming salamat sa dumaan sa street. 2 minutes, 1 minute na lang, tapos magbibigay ako ng bagong clue. Yan, para sa 1 week VIP.
You know, how you watch it?
Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux saka si Akane,
Wait, you have YouTube kids? Okay. It's 650. This is how you spell it.
you make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. Ang bago.
I don't know.
Read. Ito na, round 1 mga pre. Ayan, dito ako sa ano pre, sa Aruna Felt Castle.
One thing, one year, Jollibee your party.
Aro Guild. Welcome. Ikaw nanalo sa ano sa Top Fan Raffle. May 1 week VIP ka sa akin. Mamaya bigay ko. Nandun sa isang character ko eh. Full
And I love unicorns. Unicorns are now. Unicorns are
Guild Castles.
okay.
Aruna Felts. Tapos kahit saan doon piliin mo, tapos tele ka na. Medyo nalakihan ko na yung ano.
Anyways, I cannot change your account to an emo one. By the way, why were you shocked?
Over all the butterflies.
Wait, you have to check because someone might be using your phone. For me, I'm just trying to find some things like free to use my account. Yeah.
Wala nang hahabol para sa streamer egg raffle natin.
Okay, here. Stay. Okay, stop. Stop. Stay there. Stay there.
Top fan raffle to, top para sa 1 week VIP.
Okay, bye.
Thank you for sharing the stream, Boss Jamel.
That's fine.
Sureball, mahuhulaan niyo to. Ilang S to? 2, 4, 6. Ah, si V. Kaya lang V. Okay na.
Bro, they're going to watch drama classes again. Who is this? Hello. What? Yes, can you put more pages, please? And this. I just ran over Johnny. How? How do you see this place?
Sino nakakuha? Si Bullet. Wait lang, Bullet ah. Kasi ano ba yung pangalan mo kasi medyo ano eh. Tag sabihin si ano na naman mananalo dito.
Why are you scared? Someone's trying to play a game.
Haba naman ito. Si Atong.
And one for Rainbow, one for Amanda.
Ako. Kayo.
Okay.
Last round, last round. Yung sunod-sunod naman yan eh. 16, 17, 18. Basta pababa.
Or whatever I want. I'm gonna run up. I'm Eva. I'm safe. Wait, you cut your hair? You didn't tell me so that I can cut my hair just.
Nina, wait lang ha. Aking i-tuklo. Either element or size. Dream anymore. No.
Oh no, I'm scared. What about you? I'm scared.
Morphe, send mo na lang sa BPI ko. Bito ako nabibili. Palworld tayo mamaya, pre. Pagkatapos nito. KOE kayo, di ba? Wednesday. Kaya nyo na yan, pre.
Right there. Other drama.
Mob nung robot nung ayun, naulaan niya ano. E_EA2S. Ito. Kuha ni Koto ko. Guns yan.
Hello.
Nilfame Dungeon. Grabe, kubra.
I really missed you for a bit. Sorry, I was.
Stream. Bali pagkatapos nito ng tele-LGP guess the monster.
No. One for Rainbow, one for Amanda. What you're playing with soon. Amanda. Bata.
Okay, Premier League update. Good one. One minute na lang yung clue natin, yung pagitan. So, after 1 minute, lalakyan ko pa ng onti yung picture, tapos 1 minute ulit. Soji.
Your March. And your March blue.
Kaya nung art kaya ito, pre.
Because that was my own account's arcade.
Ay,
Don't even see March. Oh, you know that big bill?
ano yung Orca clothes? Armor streamer eggs, no? Pero kasi, paano pa nakuha ang shadow armor doon? Shadow armor tsaka shadow shoes, di ba? Harold. Congratulations, B. Bakit kasi ang dami nang may shadow armor eh. Bilang dun eh. Wait lang.
Ano sabi mo? Look at there.
May level. Madali na siyang i-search.
Funny. Just asking. There. Yo, that.
Tele lang ng telepre. Mga pang nananalo. Okay, bilis lang ng 5 days nang di natatabi si baby. Tinatrangkaso. Ayop. Yung monster!
I'll be fine. I guess I'm gonna treat everything for.
Notify na kayo mga pre. Yan, salamat sa share, Mini. Sa mga gustong sumali sa Guess the Monster, punta tayo dito sa taas ng front. Wait lang. Persona.
She's the oldest, by the way. Sheila is the youngest.
Laro tayo. Gamitin ko isa sa sakyan. Yung isa. Puti.
We find the murderer, by the way. I swear, if I'm innocent again in the next round.
Mid, yara yata sila. Sayang naman ang mga turbo. De, okay ka na, ano? Okay ka na, Boss Atong. Matik na yan. Basta subscriber, matik yan, pre. Nothing by my side.
Okay, then.
After yun, siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin, Guess the Monster. 2 rounds ano else, Jewel, 5 rounds LC. Tapos may dito sabay kayo i-flag. Sa kayo i-flag, pre.
sleeping. My brother is sleeping, and he never says anything. He just put his. My name's actually Nina Elizabeth.
Who are you talking to? Hey.
I'm talking to Sabina White. Huh? Yeah, what?
Recently, a video was on viral of Jenny smoking on one of the staff members. It seems Jenny's smoking scandal may have legal consequences. A news outlet reported that a fan had asked for the
Ano na? Clue. Yun.
Well, yeah. Bro,
Pwede pa sumali, different character.
bro, son, and do you know the password? That's where I see.
Okay. Thank you sa lahat ng dumaan sa stream, mga pre. Rarakol ko yung ano. Okay, lalakyan ko. Siya eh. Neutral, medium, human, search.
It's just explaining. Oh, I'm getting scared.
Ayan. Pangay na kasi nila ko. G. G. Ready na kayo guys ha. Mamimigay ako ng 50 NLs jewel tsaka yung lottery ticket na isang daan. Ayun. Nice. Nice. Subscriber raffle tsaka top fan raffle. Mas palaro tayo, mini games. NLs jewel tos LC.
Stop using it. Okay.
Ayun. Nice. Uy, nagtele. Puta na.
Big Mar.
Nag-share natin tong stream
Where are
sa
your potions?
lakas.
Why did you read my private things? I want to hear. Okay, fine. I got it.
2 weeks din, 2 weeks.
I can have your account
Thank you for sharing, pre.
whenever I want to and however I
Teka,
want.
ayusin ko lang yung listahan.
punished to the full extent of law. To set an example, others joined in accusing her of thinking she's above the law or hate
Bali 25 LC per win to. Pwede pa ulit-ulit ah.
actions.
Stop. Next round. Yung medyo madali naman. Sige.